Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be covering two important topics, which is what is meal importation and is it still profitable in 2026. Let's get started. What is meal importation? Meal importation simply means buying products or purchasing products from another country at a cheaper rate. It could be China, it could be Bangladesh, it could be Turkey, and you bring that product to your own country and sell it at a profit. Unlike the normal traditional importation, meal importation is buying it in smaller quantity. You don't have to bring in a full container load of goods or products into your country. You can easily just import at a smaller quantity, quarter of a container or a smaller quantity of that. Meal importation is not very complicated. Meal importation is not for only experts, and you don't need millions in order to start importing from another countries. Right now, a lot of people are starting meal importation with just their mobile phone, their internet connection, and a low capital of as low as 50,000 to 100,000 naira. China is one of the major countries that businesses import from. The reason is because China produces high quality products for very cheap price. They have cheap labor and they have high manufacturing capacity. That's the reason why your big brands like Amazon, Samsung, Apple, and other major companies manufacture and assemble their products in China. Why do people import from China? The three major reasons why people import from China is because 1. China has very cheap products. You can buy products for as low as 1,000 naira and sell for as high as 5,000 to 10,000 naira. 2 is because everything is made in China, from phone accessories to gadgets to home appliances, and they even sell toothpick in China. Do you understand? So everything is made in China. You can get different products in China. And the third reason is because there is unlimited supply. China is a manufacturing country and there is unlimited supply. You can buy as much as possible if you want to buy from China. Why is meal importation still profitable in 2026? The reason why importation is still profitable in 2026 is because 1. Weak currency creates opportunity in the market. I'm sure you have noticed previous years when the Nigerian naira dropped in value and the dollar increased in value, right? You should know that products in the market increased in price. So if you are importing from China and you have your products, they are going to add more value and you're going to make more profits. Another reason is because the demand in imported products has not dropped, right? So the more years pass, the more population is going to increase and the more imported products are going to be in demand, right? We are still going to buy shoes, we are still going to buy clothes, we are still going to buy gadgets, we are going to buy phones. So the more those products are coming in, the more population are increasing and the more we are going to buy the product. The third reason is that you can start with low capital, right? So you can start meal importation with as low as 100,000, 50,000 or even 200,000, and you can make a lot of profit importing high demand and high value products into the market and selling it at a high price. The fourth reason is because there are a lot of tools now that currently makes meal importation easier. Now there are platforms that allows you to buy products from China at ease. Even in your home, you can buy a product from China. Secondly, there are platforms that allows you to make payments to your Chinese supplier. You understand? You don't even need naira. You don't need complicated methods. You just make payment once and the supplier will get his money and will send you the product. Another reason is that it's easier for you to sell these products on platforms just like Jumia, Gigi, Konga. You can buy these products, you can sell these products immediately and you don't have stress. You understand? It's not going to be kept in your house for souvenir. And you can also run ads if you are good at running ads. The fifth reason is because AI has come to stay, right? Now you can set up your ads using the help of AI, you understand, and then you sell this product to your potential customers using Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and AI can help you structure your ads and be getting to your customers and you're going to be making sales. The sixth reason is because Nigeria loves new products. Nigeria loves things that comes into the market and solves problem, right? So you notice once new product come in and it's problem solving, Nigerians are going to buy. You understand? Nigerians want to solve the major problems that is disturbing them in their lives, and that is why importation and mini importation is still going to be profitable in 2026. I hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to like this video and also drop a comment on the comment section, and subscribe to our channel so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.